Hello, welcome back everybody. My name is Todd. So it's time to get cooking again. So today we're going to be making rotisserie chicken in the oven. So let's get our ingredients together. For our rotisserie chicken, we're going to need the following: a 4 to 5 pound whole chicken, some oil, some water. For our rub, we're going to need kosher salt, pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, paprika, and cayenne. So let's get our ingredients prepared. So for our rub, we are going to need some kosher salt, some pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, paprika, some thyme, and then just a dash of cayenne. So we're going to give this a good mix. Oh my God. Whoops, and here I go making messes. Not even got to cooking yet and I'm already, making a mess everywhere in the kitchen. All right, so we've got this mixed up. So now we need to get our chicken ready. All right, so we've got our chicken, and what we're going to do is we're going to just clean him up a bit. Not really that much to clean up on him. So just a few pieces of this here and there. All right, set this out of the way. And as always, whenever we are working with raw meat, we want to make sure that we wash our hands before and after. So now that we've got this cleaned up, we're going to take some paper towels and we need to make sure he is dry. Flip him over. The same thing on the back. Put that in there. Flip it back over. All right, now we are going to brush him with a little bit of oil. Flip him over. And make sure we get him all covered in oil. There we go. All right, now we are going to take our seasoning and we're going to sprinkle it all across our bird. And you may have to rub it in for it to stick. Flip them over, whoops, get the other side. And whatever seasoning you don't use, you can place this in an airtight container. and store it for use later. All right, so now that we've got him all covered in our seasoning, we are going to pop him into a baking tray, and he's gonna cook in a 300-degree oven till he gets to an internal of 160, and then what we'll do is we will pull him out. So let me get him into the oven, and once we're ready, we'll be right. I forgot to mention that once we've got our chicken in our roasting pan, we need to add a cup of water to the bottom. So now he's going to go into a 300-degree oven, and we'll be back in a few hours. Okay, so this has been in the oven for 2 hours, so we're going to give it a temperature check. And the breast is about 140. The thigh about the same. So we're going to put this back in the oven for about another 30 minutes to an hour. So this has been going another 45 minutes, so let's give it a check. All right, just a little bit over 160. Now what we're going to do is we're going to cover this in foil and let this sit for about 15-20 minutes. Okay, so this has been resting for about 15 minutes. I'm going to remove the foil. All right. And there we go. So now we're going to get this served up with some oven baked roasted vegetables, some carrots and potatoes. What I did is I used the remaining seasoning I had from using on the chicken, and I just covered the vegetables in them and then roasted them at about 350 for about an hour and a half with a little bit of butter. So I hope that you enjoyed the video. Remember, new videos are posted every Tuesday at 4 p.m. Remember, like, share, and subscribe. And until next time, enjoy.